Hi guys, I'm Louis Westhuizen. I'm a physical educator from originally from South Africa, living in Oman, and I'd just like to thank Four Generations for education, for broadening my teaching experience. I came here for a conference based on conceptual thinking and conceptual learning, and they really improved my teaching toolbox, teaching me about KUD and just generally conveying a concept to the kids out there. They've really inspired me, and as it's gone, I would love to even become a workshop leader. So thank you very much, Ali and Mihai. It was a really awesome workshop, and I would recommend it to anyone. Awesome.